Hi, this tutorial is on how to open and save a document received via email in the Mail app on an iPhone or iPad. The process is slightly different in the Outlook mobile app. Please see our other tutorial if you use the Outlook app on your iPhone or iPad. In this tutorial, we are showing the process in the Mail app on an iPhone 12 mini with iOS 16.7. There are a few different ways you can handle attachments. Open up the email, tap on the attachment, and you will see a preview of it. At the bottom, you see the action icon. It is a rectangle with an up arrow at the top. Tap on that. Here you can tap the option to save it. After that, you will tap Done at the top, and you will be back to the email. Here's another quick way to save the attachment. Tap and hold the attachment. It will show you the preview of the file and also the list of actions. Tap Save to Files. Choose the location and tap Save. And your document will be saved. By the way, are you interested in the training to help you take good control of your emails, tasks, and projects and use your computer, iPhone, and iPad effectively to stay more productive? Turner Time has a training program for you. Go to our website, www.turnertimemanagement.com, and schedule a complimentary consultation meeting with Turner Time. You can also send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463. And we look forward to being of service.